Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create songs using AI in CloneVoice, which is an all-in-one AI voice app. So I'm logged into my CloneVoice account. This is the main homepage. Click on Create Music at the top. And you'll notice that there are two versions, and it's recommended that you use the latest version 2. However, if you click on the genre drop-down, you'll notice the options here are a little bit different compared to version 1. So let me just go back here and I'll toggle it to version 1. First of all, you'll notice that you have the option to choose male and female voices. Also, if I click the genre dropdown, there is no gospel genre because it was added later on in version 2. So let me go back and switch it back to version 2. And I'll use the genre dropdown and choose gospel. Next, for the lyrics type, you have AI generated and custom. If you decide to use custom, make sure that you paste your lyrics in this format. I'm going to choose AI generated. And in this box, I'll type in Jesus, my rock, my everything. And then I'll check this box to agree with the terms of service. And finally, I'll click on create lyrics. It will then take a few seconds and generate the lyrics, so just give it a few seconds there. And then you'll be redirected to this page. I noticed that there were no spaces between the sentences, and I'm not sure if that creates an issue or not, but I just corrected it. And then if you make any changes to any of the sections, just make sure that you click this update button for each of the respective sections where you made the changes. So these are all of the lyrics generated. Let me scroll back up and then I'll enter the name of the song here and then check this box to agree with the terms. And then finally click on generate music. It'll then begin processing it and then bring you back, or rather bring you to the My Audio section. And you'll see the status as pending. And then once processed, it will be displayed as completed. This one took about 13 minutes to process, and in the meantime, you can still work on another project if you want to. You can then use these buttons to play, regenerate, download, or delete it. You can also click this button to view the lyrics, and then copy it, and then save it to another document if you want to. You can check the video at the end of this tutorial in which I created a singing photo with the song that I just generated. It's pretty cool. To learn more about CloneVoice AI and get it at a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.